Hi friends, in this video I will be showing keyboard settings. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video. Go to settings. Select this settings icon. Select device preferences. Select keyboard. Select current keyboard. You can see the current keyboard is Gboard. Go back. Then go to Gboard settings. Select it. Then select languages. Using this languages option, we can add multiple languages to keyboard, or we can change keyboard language. So first we have to disable this option, use system languages. Disable it. Then we can enable multiple languages. See, you can see by default English UK is there in the list. Then let me enable one more language. Let me enable Hindi. Okay, done. So now I have enabled two languages, English UK and Hindi. Let me test it. Go to home screen. Select search. We can see the keyboard. Using this language button, we can switch keyboard language. See, now we are seeing Hindi. Let me switch again. See, using this language button, we can easily change keyboard language. Okay. So this way we can change keyboard language or add multiple languages to keyboard. Next I will show you how we can install new keyboard. Go to settings, device preferences, keyboard. This time select manage keyboards. So here we can see three keyboards: Gboard, LANkey Keyboard Pro and Virtual Remote Keyboard. LANkey Keyboard Pro. This is a new keyboard which I installed from Play Store. You can search this keyboard in Play Store, then we can install it. So I am going to enable this LANkey Keyboard Pro. Enable it. Okay, done. Then go back. Then go to current keyboard. So now we can see two keyboards here, LANkey Keyboard Pro and Gboard. I am going to change keyboard from Gboard to LANkey Keyboard Pro. Let me enable LANkey Keyboard Pro. You can see now it's showing current keyboard is LANkey Keyboard Pro. Let me test it. Go to home screen. Go to search. See, this is a new keyboard, LANkey Keyboard Pro. So this way we can install new keyboard and enable it. So now we have learned how to change keyboard language, how to add multiple languages to keyboard, and how to install new keyboard and enable it. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please check it.